big news in the security and password world this week with the announcement from Microsoft that they're going passwordless. So you won't need a password in regards to authenticating your Microsoft accounts or any account Microsoft in the future. This has been around since 2002 when Microsoft, Apple and Google announced a joint effort to go to Passkeys, which allows a user to authenticate via biometrics or Face ID or via the device. This has been around with Google at a consumer level with 400 million accounts already in place. You can even do it on your PlayStation at the moment. But from a business perspective, it's taken some time. And this week, yesterday, the 2nd of May, it was announced that Microsoft would put in public preview the ability for organisations, enterprises, small business, etc., to move to Passkeys. And we have started trials with that. And we'll be moving our organisations with time to Passkeys to allow for logging into computer with biometrics or with fingerprint or what have you. So it's going to make a huge difference. We also tie as much as we can for an organisation into the Microsoft account with a technology called single sign-on. So we eliminate all those platforms, your CRMs, your telephony system, your line of business applications to your Microsoft login via technology, as I said, SSO, and that removes username and passwords from all of those platforms. You utilise the Microsoft login, and as a result of going passwordless and using Passkeys, you won't have to have a password for any of those ever again. It comes with all those benefits, and obviously a lot of security benefits from eliminating passwords and logins across the platforms on the way in for employees as they enjoy the ease of logging in if they're a new employee, and also for the organisation if they need to terminate an employee, they terminate one login, and it eliminates the need to terminate a multitude of platforms. So if you're interested, we're looking at the public preview at the moment and implementing that internally, and then we'll be looking at organisations to trial this, and then eventually once it's out of public preview with Microsoft, we'll roll it out to all of our managed clients. If you'd like any more information, please feel free, let me